Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So we have one of the, you have to update the app to the latest version, so you can actually have access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the, Messenger, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three bars at the top left, click on the settings here at the top right, and there you're going to see multiple options. Go ahead and click the privacy and safety, and you're going to see right here end-to-end encrypted chat, and just go ahead right here and click on it. And basically you're going to see message storage, and just make sure that you toggle this one off right here. Basically you won't be able to access your chat history through your iCloud drive, and after you toggle this one off, basically just go ahead and go back right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the security alert, and here you're going to see the view logins. You can just go ahead and select the device and then log out of this device, right? And basically you could just go ahead and manage security alerts and just toggle this one off. Basically that's it. Now you disabled the end-to-end encrypted chat. Let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.